100% made in the USA. The one thick Tri-Fold KinderMat is 100% made in the USA and contains the highest quality USA materials. Easy to clean. This original KinderMat is easy to clean. Simply use warm water and soap or a gentle cleaning wipe. The USA-made materials will stand up to playtime and cleaning over and over. High quality. This original KinderMat is made of USA-made high-quality, dense foam using radio frequency heat-sealed technology, keeping liquid out and preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. Affordable and durable. This original KinderMat is extremely durable and safe. Kid-tested and kid-approved since 1951. KinderMats are perfect for daycares, preschools and homeschool use. Certified and safe. This original KinderMat Full Cover Sheet is KINDERGREEN certified, meeting the highest levels of regulatory safety standards and compliance with International Ethical Supplier. Top reviews from the United States. Great customer service. My son fit perfectly in this little mat. He said it was comfortable too. We needed it for VPK and I only had 10 days notice to purchase one. I contacted the seller to make sure it would arrive on time. The seller got back to me within 24 hours and assured me it would be here in time. The mat arrived earlier than expected. Wonderful CS. Thank you.